Good morning, students. Welcome back to the learning classes. This is your GK period. How are you all? Good. So, students, today we will continue with our GK work only. So, all of you be ready with your GK books and pencil. And the chapter that we are going to do today is chapter number 3, Important Places Around Us. This is given on page number 10. Alright, so all of you be ready with your books and pencil. Students, there are various important places around us that we need for our various purposes. So we will study about those places. Alright, so now let's start our today's work. So students, let's start our today's work. Today we will continue with our GK work only. So all of you be ready with your GK books and pencil. You all have to do this in your books only. So now let's start. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 17th 4th 2021. Then we will write CW classwork, underline both date and classwork. Alright. So students, our next chapter is lesson number 3, Important Places Around Us. So students, there are many important places in our surroundings where we used to go regularly for our activities. We depend upon those facilities for our day-to-day activities. Alright, so we will study about those places in this chapter. So now let's start. These places are very important to us. These places are very important to us because we depend on those places for our work. We visit some of them quite regularly, and we used to visit them. We go to those places for our work regularly. With the help of the hints, fill in the blanks with the right name of these places. Here hints are given to you in the form of the statements. You all have to read the statements and write the name of that correct place. Alright. So now let's start. I hope it is clear to you all what you all have to do. Your first one is people deposit their money here. So students, where do we go for depositing our money, for depositing our checks, for depositing our money, for withdrawal of money? We go to the banks. Bank is a place where we go for depositing our money. So our answer will be bank. Okay, BANK, bank. Next one, number 2. We post our letters from this place. So where do we go for posting our letters? We go to the post office. So post office is a place where we go for posting our letters. So our answer will be post office. Okay. So now let's move further to the third one. We can buy different things like fruits, vegetables and stationeries from here. Where do we go for buying various things? Fruits, vegetables, groceries, furniture, stationeries. Where do we go for buying these things? We go to the market. So market is a place where we go for buying different things. So our answer will be market. MARKET, market. Next one, number 4. Children play here and people come here for their morning or evening walk. So children, where do the children go for playing? They go to the garden, they go to the parks, and people used to go there for morning and evening walks also. So we should walk and we should do exercise every day. It is very good for our health. So where do we go for our morning walk and evening walk. And where do the children go for playing? They go to the park. So our answer will be park. P-A-R-K, park. Next one, number 5. We come here when we want to file a complaint with the police. So where do we go for filing any complaint with the police? We go to the police station. If there is some mishappening happens, then what do? We file a complaint, and for filing a complaint we have to go to the police station. So our answer will be the police station. Police station. Okay. P-O-L-I-C-E, police, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, police station. Next one. Doctors and nurses work here. So where do we find doctors and nurses? We find them in the hospitals. When we fall sick, when we are not well, where do we go? We go to the hospitals, and we find doctors, nurses in the hospitals. So our answer will be hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Alright. So these are the 6 questions that you all have to do in this chapter. Important places around us. There are many other places also which are very important for us, but here you all have to do these 6 places. So now it's homework time. Write down your today's homework. Your homework is learn page number 10 from your book. So your homework is, you all have to learn page number 10. This is page number 10 which we have done just now. You all have to complete your classwork, get it checked by me during your class, then you will learn it. This is your homework. Alright. So I hope it is clear to you all what you all have to do. Alright. If you are having any confusion, you can ask me. Alright. So students, that's all in this video. If you are having any confusion, you can ask me and clear your doubts. I'm here to explain you. Alright. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.